we are back again. I don't know if you prefer to see my ugly face or the road and the pretty cars that are driving by. But yeah, what was I saying? So yeah, every Monday, every Friday, put out blogs. Fridays are video game related blogs, well, video game reviews. Mondays are general topics that appeal to the mass audiences, so I can still get views on the blog page. And basically so that there's something for everyone, so no one should have a reason not to come to my blog. Oh, that is a nice Subaru Impreza. You guys can see that, right? Yeah, black with gold rims. That shit looks nice. This is the Balmoral office or sub-office of Digicel that I used to work at until they moved my ass up back to the head office for training and they put me on a new team. So now I do that and I don't get to walk like 10 minutes to come to work. I instead now have to walk like 45 minutes to get to work. But yeah, I digress. So yeah, as far as the blog goes, there's a lot of work that goes into it, which is why I kind of want to win this award so bad. Wow, that bus sounds all types of fucked up. But yeah, there's a lot of work that goes into the blog. Between the blog on Mondays and Fridays, the YouTube channel that has video game gameplay with commentary, and then there's the Twitter that we put out stuff on, and the Facebook page that all the other content gets pushed to, whether it's funny pictures, video game news, funny videos from off of the internet, links to articles from off of the internet that people might find interesting. There's like literally something for everyone, or at least I try to always have something for everyone on our Facebook page. The Facebook page is really where most of everything happens, because that's like the easiest place to centralize all the information, so to speak. And I mean, in this day and age, who doesn't have a Facebook? So yeah, as you can see, we've walked like up halfway of that long ass avenue that I was showing you guys before. Now we have the other half to walk up. Sword of Thundera, give me sight beyond sight. So yeah, you guys can see up the road there. Bam! God, I love this camera. Best money I spent on Black Friday. Now I can do all these random videos for you guys. But yeah, there's another bus. That's how buses look here in Kingston, Jamaica. There's a taxi. And I almost got hit by a car because I wasn't paying attention. So let's not do that again. So yeah. So I think, yeah, what was I saying now? Yeah, this is gonna be a long ass video. For those who don't want to watch all of it, that's cool. But yeah, what was I saying? So yeah, it's a lot of work that goes into the blog, finding all the articles and videos and stuff to put on the Facebook page. And then there's always trying to be the first to post stuff, which I kind of pride myself on. Well, at least amongst like my small circle of friends that know me as like living on the internet, yeah, I kind of pride myself a bit on the fact that 90% of the stuff that gets put out there, I've seen most of it before most people end up posting it. Sometimes it kind of pisses me off when I see people post stuff that I know I posted already that they should have seen, because they have like the Facebook page, but they don't share it from my page. They share it from some other random place, and I'm like, dude, what the hell? Where's the love? Where's the support? Why didn't you share it from my page? But yeah, it is what it is. Can't win them all, but we try to. So yeah. So yeah, it's like being a blogger is cool and all. It takes a lot of effort. You gotta do it because you love it. But at the end of the day, you make it as easy or as hard on yourself as you want to. depending on what kind of schedule you put on yourself, or if you even have a schedule at all as far as posting or trying to interact with your so-called, yeah, I'm doing air quotes, so-called fans and whatnot. So that's always cool, right? So yeah, I think I'm gonna pause again because you're going out into major traffic and I don't want to get run over on the road. So I'm gonna pause again and until I probably get to work, and I'll show you guys my workstation, and then I think we'll just round off the video with that. So see you guys in a bit again. There's a madman. Those are pretty predominant everywhere you go in the world. But yeah, so see you in a bit. The sun! Okay, so yeah, here we are again. Made it to New Kingston in one piece. So now a wonderful day of work begins, and stress and all these things that they pay us not to complain about. But yeah, so now you guys get to see the New Kingston digital headquarters until we move downtown, that is. Thank you. You know what? I think I'll just take the stairs. Because I was trying to press 4 on the thing, but I think it took too long to press it. So somebody else already called the elevator back downstairs. So I would have to have gone downstairs just to get back to the 4th floor. Screw that shit. We'll just take the stairs. We ain't lazy. We exercise. We got this. Climbing them stairs. Oh God, I'm so tired. Nah, I'm kidding. So here we are on the 4th floor. As per this is a corporate company, there's security measures and hush-hush things. So that's what key cards to say. Morning, Charles. Morning, Tyrone. And here's my desk. Good old desk. And there's the department. 360 view, 360 view. Bam, right back to my desk. So yeah, I'm gonna set up my laptop and I'll talk to you guys in a second. Okay. So here I am at work, doing work type stuff, opening up work related emails and all that shit. I'm a dual monitor setup like a boss, and that's basically my usual morning routine as far as what you've seen so far. Oh yeah, we're supposed to check that thing to ensure that it finished uploading that last video to YouTube, and yes, it has. This is my home computer I just accessed. Gotta love modern technology. Remote access my machine, haha. So now that that's done, I can close all this crap on my home computer and shut it down, shut it down, shut it down, shut it down. So yeah, shutting it down. Conserve on that light bill. Shut down. Okay, cool. Shutting down. So that's off. Last thing I want to mention for those of y'all that have the time to just go here. See that? So I'll go comment on Facebook. You won't regret it. Just go there, click that like button right there, and then you get access to all the cool shit that's on the page. All the articles, videos, quality entertainment for when you're bored on the internet. So I got work to do, so I'll see you guys later. Peace.